front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this device. Firstly, go into settings and tap on display and brightness. Now you need to click on this switcher next to auto brightness feature, and as you can see, auto brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same switcher. You can always go into tab menu as well and tap on this icon next to brightness slider. If it's green, that means that auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on this icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!